In Shots to Hole, when you want to look at some player data, the first thing you need to do is to select the player, which I've already done, and you know this because you can see the yellow up here. When you click on the Statistics tab, you can see a number of things that are open to you. So the purpose of this video is to give you the orientation of how the statistics are laid out. The blue tabs here are your different options. The overall round statistics are the things that you're used to seeing, fairways, greens, this kind of thing. At the bottom it tells you about the par 3s and par 4s and par 5s. If you need to go into more detail, for example putting, here we know that you had 30 putts and the average hold length of the putt was 2.5 feet. When I come down here into this tab, it gives me a bit more detail about how many putts you've played from each distance, how well you putted in that particular skill, how many you hold, and how close you hit the ball. This is the same kind of information for bunker shots, short game shots inside 100, approach shots from 100 to 250, and the par 4s and par 5s from 250 through to 600. It tells you how many shots you have in each category, your average score for each distance category, and how close your second shot was. From here we move into some more detailed information under Putts Tabular and Shots Tabular. They're a very similar layout to the way the round statistics work. The advantage of these two screens is it allows you to filter 4 sets of information for comparison. And in the Shots Tabular it shows you all of your approaches from next to the hole all the way down to 600 meters or yards away in one easy table. Finally, we have the clubs. So if you are entering these things, it'll start telling you how far you typically hit it, so the distance the ball goes, or on average how far you hit the thing away from the hole using that particular club. So that's an overview of the statistics. There'll be an individual video for each one of these different tabs showing you some of the features and how to get the most out of the system.